All right, all my winners, and today we got something special for you guys. Check this thing out. It's a Can-Am, it's a Maverick. We do all types of things around here. If it has a glass, you know, we could tint it. But look at this, isn't this thing groovy? You guys seen this? Jesus Christ. The off-roading on this thing, it has to be gnarly. This is the new wave. You could drive these things on the street now. They could get plates for it, insurance. We're gonna put 20% ceramic on this front PlexiGlass. This is like plastic. This is not glass. And this is an add-on. These things don't come for the street, so they put a front windshield on it, mirrors. They put markers. They put signal lights in order to make this street legal. This does not come street legal. You can't buy it street legal. You have to make it street legal. So after you buy it, you have to invest on, you know, turn signals, headlights, taillights, and stuff like that. You know, all of that has to be functional. Seat belts. Look at the suspension on this bad boy. Look at this. Now, this is definitely off-roady, right? You could definitely go very off-road with this bad boy. It's got big tires with bead lock, guys. This bead lock is for rock climbing and stuff like that. So the tire doesn't come off when you're climbing rocks and stuff. And so this is groovy that it has all the off-road stuff, but it's on the street. It's a pavement queen, right? This thing is super clean. This has not seen off-roading ever. Look, it's super clean, guys. Look at that. Let's check it out inside. See this bad boy? Boom. Now, this gentleman likes his music, so he customized it himself. Of course, look, wires and all of that stuff behind this piece right here, and an amp. You guys notice? Look, speakers on the doors. This kind of opens up on a suicide wave, right? You pull the little tag right here. This what is it? Nylon. Suicide. Let's look at this bad boy. You know, around here we like getting into cars. Look at this. Oh man, this is killer, right? This is killer. Look at this. Look at him, dude. We can see you from the bottom of the door a little bit, you know? It's got pieces you could take apart. This gentleman put this is put on himself. He put this on himself. He bought it and put it on. And very handy guy. Yeah, he got the mirrors on there. He put those on himself as well. Some people buy the parts and have somebody else put them in for them. This gentleman bought them and put it in himself. Man, this is killer, dude. Cool, right? Very off-roady, very weather-proof, right? Nonetheless, I'm gonna put 20% ceramic on this front windshield, guys. All right, enough toying around. Let's tint this bad boy. Don't go nowhere. All right, we just finished this front windshield, guys. Look at this bad boy. We did the little two corner ones. There's a piece right here. The piece right there. I don't know if you guys can see. Look, you can see through it. You see it? It's a little piece right there we did. And the front windshield right here, 20% ceramic. Nothing but the best for this animal. Look at this bad boy. He's one of the first ones to ever have this glass tinted. Nobody's done it. We've been all over the place looking for some. So if you guys seen them or have done them before, please comment in the comment section below. We want to know who did it, where'd they do it, where they from. Show us some pictures. We want to know. Let's check this bad boy inside because of course outsides look completely different. Shoes, do me the honors, please. Look at shoes over there. Do the damn thing. See how this looks on the inside, guys. Super clean, super factory. You know, Winning Window Tints, the only place that you get stuff like this done, and things like this come here. Super awesome, guys. Winning Window Tints, of course. Right through that front windshield, guys. The place where we do these bad boys, right here. Smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel, guys. Hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we drop a video. Until next time.